It's much more difficult for us now to explain the fact that Smith has the power, that it is not the bishop who is waging that war in Zambia. Poor man, he can't wage that war in Zambia. He doesn't have the guts. He doesn't have the means to wage that war. He can't wage it, he can't stop it. So it's not the bishop who is waging that war in Mozambique. The bishop is no more than a black face covering the power of the minorities there. No change, no other change has taken place.
But what happens if...
Now holds an unknown number of Libyan prisoners captured in the war in Uganda.
A decision by Britain alone to recognize a government of Rhodesia, which is not recognized by the rest of Africa and probably not recognized by the international community, is a decision by Britain alone to create another South Africa. We believe one is enough.
To perhaps concede certain alterations in its constitution, even perhaps to attempt...
I can't see that the Queen's visit would mar the understanding that does exist between Tanzania and Britain, because we have immense understanding. And quite frankly, the one area where it is possible for Tanzania and Britain to clash is Rhodesia. But we can clash only if the British want it, because quite frankly, I see no. I can't see that we are asking the British for something that they can't do. We want a democratic constitution in Rhodesia. We want elections supervised, internationally supervised, so that they're clearly free and democratic. Now, no government in Britain would really say to us, you are asking us for too much, and therefore we shall quarrel.